I've never seen my wife so happy.
People should choose Dream Doors Waikato. We visit the site, we listen to exactly what the customer needs. We have great samples on board with us. We quote on what's needed. We provide a very detailed plan of how we're going to deliver that. We then deliver, and we have an awesome team of installers who do all the work for us and subcontractors. And then we have an awesome, incredible finished product.
So one of the main things that we do here is about how amazing our installers are and what a pleasure they are to have in the home, which I think is really important when you've got tradies in. It's just the satisfaction of knowing that we've done a really good job for them.
Jason asked about what benchtop we wanted and tapware and all that kind of thing, and I even said, I need a new range hood and I want a new sink. He had all these contacts, had all the samples for the different stone benchtops, cabinetry. Didn't have to go anywhere and made it really easy.
They're going to be in that new kitchen with their families, just cooking amazing food and
seeing it every day.
Yeah.
Contact Dream Doors.
Yeah.
You won't regret it. They are just so easy. Yeah, of course we can do that. And I thought, what about adding in that little extra little nook just there? Nah, not a problem. Let us have our vision, and they brought it to life for us, which was awesome.
So if you're in the Waikato and you're looking at doing up your kitchen, we'd love to hear from you. So give us a call.